You want to replace and upgrade the earpads on your Xbox wireless headset. My name is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's start the video. Okay, let's start. It's going to be very simple. Simply start by removing the old earpad. You are going to hold it from the inside and pull it out. The way that these earpads install is by this backside lip that is on the earpad, and it goes into this gap that is on the headphone ear cup right here. You'll notice that gap, which is between the green plastic and the black plastic on the headset. So let's remove the other one, put them aside. So once you've taken them off, just so you know, the left side is the side with the microphone. So now let's grab the earpad that we made from Wicked Cushions, and we made a special design specifically for this headset that we call the green prism. So let's start. As I said, the left side is the side with the microphone. So the way you're going to do it is, as I said, you got to put this backside lip into this gap. So an easy way is to basically start with the top of the cushion and put some of the backside lip already in place. As you can see, it's in place. Hold it in and then simply stretch the rest of the earpad to fit into the gap. And once it's in, simply going to twist it slightly back and forth until you notice that it is in. All right, so we're done with the left one. By the way, if you need to adjust it a little bit, you can twist it. All right, now let's move to the right side. Same thing. I'm gonna start with the top, put some of the backside lip already inside the gap, then hold it and stretch the earpad with my free hand. Again, if I need a little adjustment, simply going to twist the earpad in place. And that is it. And obviously the difference between our earpads and the original earpads is that our earpads are made with cooling gel. The cooling gel is on the top layer of the earpad and on the inside layer of the earpad. The top is also made with airweave fabric and the sides are made with PU leather. We've also made them slightly thicker from the original, and the ear opening is slightly bigger. And that is it. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.